Guys, the iMac 2026 is coming. Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like MacRumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with performance, because this is the most confirmed upgrade. Reports suggest Apple is preparing a new iMac, powered by the M5 chip, replacing the current M4 version. This follows Apple's typical yearly chip upgrade cycle. So, a performance boost in CPU, GPU, and AI tasks is very likely. In fact, leaks even hint that Apple has tested higher-end variants, like an M5 Max iMac, which could signal the return of a more powerful iMac Pro-style device, but this is still uncertain. Now, let's talk about design, and this is where expectations need to be realistic. According to multiple reports, Apple is expected to keep the same 24-inch all-in-one design, with no major redesign in 2026. Instead, the focus is on new color options, which could be the first real visual refresh in years. That means the same slim profile, colorful aluminum body, and compact desktop setup, but with updated finishes. Next up, the display. And here's something important. A lot of people are expecting old, but that's not happening anytime soon. According to recent reports, Apple is working on an old iMac, but it's likely delayed until 2027, not 2026. So the 2026 model will most likely continue using the 24-inch LCD display, possibly with small brightness or efficiency improvements, but nothing revolutionary. Now, let's talk about features and real-world usage. With the M5 chip, the iMac 2026, faster multitasking, and improved creative performance. This means smoother video editing, better app performance, and more efficient workflows. Apple is clearly focusing on AI-powered computing, so even the base iMac is expected to benefit from these upgrades. Connectivity and internal improvements are also expected. While details are limited, Apple could include faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and possibly updated ports, aligning with other Mac updates in 2026. However, nothing major, like Thunderbolt 5, is fully confirmed for the standard iMac yet. Now, timing. When is it actually coming? According to reports, the iMac 2026 is expected to launch after the Mac Studio refresh, likely in mid to late 2026. This fits Apple's usual desktop update schedule, where MacBooks launch first, followed by desktops later in the year. Pricing is expected to remain similar, starting around $1,299, keeping it positioned as Apple's mainstream desktop for everyday users, students, and creators. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real updates.